OZC Digital Technology and Products Update for Connect Asia 2020. The primary products of the digital products line are fiber optic transceivers, which conform to the Industry Multi-Source Agreement, or MSA. The micro OTDR SFP transceivers carry Ethernet data, just like any SFP transceiver does, but with the unique added feature of detecting, locating, and reporting optical fiber faults instantaneously. The micro OTDR feature, technology, and know-how are protected by U.S. patents. The micro OTDR feature has been recognized by the Lightwave Innovation Awards. The micro OTDR SFPs. The micro OTDR SFPs are available in two configurations. Single fiber, single wavelength FSSW, CWDM configurations. Here is the functional block diagram of the SFSW CWDM micro OTDR SFP. Here is the functional block diagram of the data-only but micro OTDR compatible SFSW CWDM SFP. When linked with a micro OTDR SFP, this supports all of the available automatic features of the micro OTDR SFP. Here is a brief description of the single fiber micro OTDR SFP and how it is best deployed. Dual fiber CWDM conventional SFP configuration. Here is the dual fiber CWDM micro OTDR SFP functional block diagram. Here is a brief description of the dual fiber CWDM micro OTDR SFP and how it is best deployed. How does the micro OTDR function? What the micro OTDR does: detects optical edges, calculates distance, and now also measures ORL to calculate the fiber link optical SNR upon startup. It does not automatically measure optical power or attenuation, and it does not directly measure reflectance. The micro OTDR sends out optical pulses, then listens for the returning optical echoes. OED, or optical echo detector, lets us know the distance to a break. RIO, or reflection immune operation. Here we see the basics of our principles of operation and our edge detector, specifying how things work and what happens with loss of signal. The fast fiber fault finder. Applying statistics, we can calculate the probability of detecting optical fault failures over a defined span or link distance. Here we see some of the mathematics behind the micro OTDR feature. This slide shows the plots of an optical fiber fault detection probabilities for a series of ORLs over spans of up to 80 kilometers. Here we see our rule of thumb. Deploying micro OTDR SFPs on both ends of the optical fiber link significantly improves the probability of detection for random faults. Deploying micro OTDR SFPs on multiple optical fibers in the trunk also significantly improves the probability of detection for random faults. What does the micro OTDR feature do? Here's how you communicate with, monitor, and control the micro OTDR. The micro OTDR creates a link birth certificate at the commissioning of an optical fiber link and eliminates the detection time component of the MTTR, mean time to repair recovery costs. Typical network applications. Depicted on this slide is the Metro Ethernet CWDM access network. Our example shows the Metropolitan New York City Internet Service Provider ISP. The Optical Supervisory Channel, or OSC, for transmission dark fiber, front haul, and backhaul applications. Depicted in this example is a high-speed DWDM data center interconnection. The AS2-S11-S-GE-5 media converter mini switch allows testing of the micro OTDR SFP right out of the box, and also offers the ability to bolt on the micro OTDR feature to already deployed switches and optical fiber links. Two of the questions we have to ask ourselves are which configuration and which model to select. Which one of the four major choices do we make? The bottom line advantages are in both CapEx and OpEx expenses. Thank you for your time and review. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Michael Hartman at opticalzonu.com. Thank you again.